global brands are not built on complex ideas. In fact, many of the world's biggest companies started with very simple products that already existed in the market. What made them different was not the product itself, but how they produced it, branded it, and delivered it to millions of people around the world. Today, these companies earn billions of dollars every year by selling products that are simple, affordable, and easy to use. The journey usually begins with identifying a basic human need. Food, drinks, clothing, cleaning products, electronics accessories, and daily household items are all examples of simple products that people buy again and again. Successful brands focus on products that solve everyday problems and are needed in large quantities. Instead of inventing something completely new, they improve what already exists and make it more reliable, more accessible, and more recognizable. Once the product idea is finalized, the next step is manufacturing at scale. Global brands invest heavily in modern factories and automated production lines. Automation helps them reduce costs, increase speed, and maintain consistent quality. Machines handle repetitive tasks such as filling, packaging, labeling, and inspection. This allows companies to produce millions of units every day while keeping production costs low. Quality control plays a major role in this process. Even though the product is simple, global brands maintain strict quality standards. Every batch is tested, inspected, and monitored to ensure it meets the same level of quality across all markets. Consistency builds trust. When customers know they will get the same experience every time, they are more likely to stay loyal to the brand. Branding is one of the most powerful tools used by billion-dollar companies. A simple product becomes valuable when it is connected to a strong brand identity. Logos, colors, packaging design, and messaging are carefully chosen to create recognition and emotional connection. Over time, customers stop buying just the product and start buying the brand itself. Marketing transforms simple products into global names. Large companies invest in advertising across television, digital platforms, social media, and retail spaces. The message is often simple and repeated consistently. This repetition helps the brand stay in the customer's mind. Even when competitors offer similar products, customers choose the brand they recognize and trust. Distribution is another key factor in scaling a business globally. Successful brands build strong supply chains that allow them to move products efficiently from factories to warehouses, retailers, and consumers. This includes shipping, logistics, storage, and inventory management. A product that is always available has a much higher chance of becoming part of daily life. Pricing strategy also matters. Billion-dollar brands often keep prices competitive while relying on high sales volume to generate profit. Instead of earning a large profit on one unit, they earn small profits on millions of units. This model allows them to grow rapidly and dominate the market. As the business expands, companies reinvest profits into research, technology, and marketing. They improve production efficiency, explore new markets, and adapt products to local preferences. This continuous improvement helps them stay ahead of competitors and maintain long-term growth. Over time, a simple product becomes part of a global system that includes manufacturing, branding, logistics, and customer trust. This system is difficult to copy, which protects the brand's position in the market. That is how everyday products are transformed into billion-dollar businesses. The success of global brands proves that complexity is not always required. With the right strategy, even the simplest product can scale into a worldwide business. What matters most is consistency, efficiency, and understanding how people think and buy.